Hey guys, Adam Lobo here from Adam Lobo TV, and in this video, I'll share with you my unboxing and my full video review of the ASUS Zenbook Flip S UX371, which is the world's thinnest 13-inch 4K OLED convertible laptop. So keep watching. Now the unboxing process was pretty straightforward, as the box comes in a huge black box with the ASUS on the right and Search of Incredible on the left. Then at the back, you'll find some of the specs of the laptop over there. Opening the box towards the right, you'll find a smaller box which contains the laptop. But first, inside towards the left is another black box which contains the 65-watt USB-C adapter and a USB-C to 3.5mm headphones adapter. Next, unboxing the laptop's smaller box, you'll find the laptop itself with the OLED screen specs down there. Underneath, there's the ASUS Pen Active stylus with an included battery inside that uses AAAA, which is 4 A's or quadruple A battery, just so you all know. And this new stylus provides an intuitive input support with 4096 pressure levels. Then on the other side, there's a thinner black box which has the user guide and a premium care leaflet as well. First, looking at the specs, it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition. The variant that I have is the 13.3-inch 4K display variant, which comes with the Intel Core i7-1165G7, which is the 11th Gen Tiger Lake processor. It has the Intel Iris Xe graphics, an OLED 4K UHD display, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM, 1TB of PCIe 3.0 storage, the ASUS number pad, and it has Wi-Fi 6 wireless internet connectivity as well. Now, just so you all know that this ultra-compact Zenbook Flip S is the first ASUS laptop to be verified as an Intel Evo platform laptop design as well, so that was really cool. Starting from the design and build, my first impressions when I held the laptop was how extremely lightweight and thin it was, at only 13.9mm thin, which makes this laptop the world's thinnest OLED convertible laptop and only weighs at only 1.2 kgs. Now the color finish of the laptop is called Jade Black, where it had a premium finish with the contrasting red copper diamond cut highlights and a brushed aluminium deco bar. And one thing to note is the fact that the finish captures your fingerprints pretty easily, especially underneath. So keep that in mind. Now, as for the laptop's keyboard, the typing experience was nice, with a new edge-to-edge keyboard design with a backlit chiclet-style keyboard that has ample amount of space for the extra function keys. Then the trackpad is equipped with the new ASUS NumberPad 2.0, which has a similar feature like the ASUS ExpertBook laptop that I've reviewed last year. That is hands down the best way for data entry and doing numbered calculations. And I have to say that I love how versatile the laptop is, with its 360 degrees ergo lift hinge that allows the laptop to be used in laptop mode, tablet mode, stand mode, and 10 modes as well. Now, as for the laptop spots and buttons, looking on the left, there is the HDMI 1.4 port and two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, which was quite sweet. Then on the right, there is the USB 3.2 Gen 1 and the power button over there. And yes, there's no headphones jack available, since there is the USB-C to 3.5mm headphones adapter as mentioned earlier inside of the box. Now, let's talk about the laptop screen, which is very stunning, by the way. Now, the Zenbook Flip S OLED UX371 that I have is the 13.3-inch variant screen size as mentioned earlier, which has an amazing 4K UHD with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels at 60 Hz with 600 nits of brightness as well. Now, this is the first ASUS Zenbook laptop to have an OLED display, so it is the first of its kind. While we all know how great OLED displays are on TVs, it is extra sweet to know that it's now available on a laptop. Now this display is not your typical UHD display as it is an OLED Nano Edge Pantone validated, where Pantone has their color experts to perform evaluation of the color systems to ensure a very color accurate touchscreen. Now it also has a wide 100% DCIe P3 color gamut for a full range of a RGB color space, especially for a digital movie projection, and it is a VESA Display HDR 500 True Black certified, which is a certified display for deeper blacks and exceptional contrast as well. Where overall I have to say that the screen quality cannot be justified just looking through this video alone, although I shot this video in 6K resolution with the whole YouTube compression and all, where it looks even more amazing when looking at it in real life. And on top of that, it is also TUV rain lens certified for eye care, which is very beneficial for a lot of you who likes to watch movies and of course do lots of content creations based work like video editing or even photo editing. So yes, I found that the laptop during photo editing was a really great experience since it is a color accurate screen as well. Now I have to stress about the importance of the eye care protection, as it is a great certification to ensure that while you're enjoying a very nice OLED display, which is very vivid and nice, it won't strain your eyes, especially with a blue light filter, which can be one of the biggest causes for eye strain, interrupt your sleep, and many more. And speaking of content creation, what's extra sweet is the fact that the screen also has the new ASUS Pen Active Stylus, which has up to 4096 pressure levels on the screen as mentioned earlier. Now with all of this technology and the great certification, this made me feel like I wanted to compare it with the likes of the Retina display on a MacBook Pro. Now as you guys can see that the OLED display for the UX71 is really impressive compared to the Retina display, where the contrast especially on the blacks and the color accuracy is way better as well. Now looking towards the top of the screen, there's the 720p HD camera with AI noise cancellation for its audio, and this camera supports Windows Hello facial recognition for a very fast, secure and passwordless way to unlock this Windows device. Now in terms of software, it is shipped with Windows 10 Home Edition, and the good news is that multitasking using the laptop daily for your emails, browsing, especially when it comes to watching videos, and also typically doing my content creation work, went seamlessly, especially very smooth with the ASUS Pen Active Stylus as well. Now speaking of content creation, when it comes to video editing H.264 videos was a bit stuttery on the 4K resolution, but the good news is that I managed to edit my 6K resolution Blackmagic RAW file smoothly with playback set to 1/4 on Adobe Premiere Pro. So this does come down to the type of files that you're editing, but then again, this laptop was not really meant for hardcore video editors anyway. And of course, during my gaming tests, when it comes to playing Asphalt 9, I love how I managed to switch it to the tablet mode to have a nicer gaming experience, so that was extra sweet. Now let's go into the audio quality. On the laptop, the speakers are down-facing speakers, tuned by Harman Kardon. Then as mentioned earlier, there is the AI noise cancellation feature, which to me is the best out right now, where it enhances the Zenbook Flip S microphone to eliminate the background noise for a crystal clear online voice communication, which makes it perfect since we are all stuck at home making lots of video calls and also online classes these days. And when it comes to playback, I found that the overall vocal clarity and the sound output for the mids and highs were really great, and I was extremely pleased with the bass response as well. And here is a quick sound test. As for the laptop's battery, it comes with a 4-cell 67 watt-hour battery, and during my heavy usage of video editing, sending out emails, getting some video playback at the end of the day, got me roughly about 14 hours and 18 minutes. So yes, you will surely get more if you don't do heavy video editing like me. Now, in conclusion, ASUS continues to give their best releases to start off the year with this Zenbook Flip S. While there are tons of great features of the laptop as mentioned earlier during this review, the utmost standout feature would be the amazing form factor with a really versatile usage, a superior 4K UHD color accurate OLED display, and of course the intuitive ASUS Pen Active stylus as well. As for the price here in Malaysia, this particular ASUS Zenbook Flip S OLED UX371 is going for 6,799 ringgit, and I'll leave links down below for you guys to get yourself one. So guys, with this, do let me know what you guys think of the ASUS Zenbook Flip S OLED UX371 at the comment section below. Will you guys get it? Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. First, looking at the phone. Hello? Hello?